What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nivel123 and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 series. So the model that we have here is the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and it's a very unique phone that we have on the channel. When the Galaxy Z Fold original series came out in 2019, I thought this was going to be the next future. Unfortunately, it was not only too expensive, it was also very defective. But over the years, Samsung has released new iterations for the Galaxy Z Fold until the point that we have a functioning Z Fold 5. So I haven't known if the Z Fold, because it was released last month, but I'm pretty sure this is over the past 4 years and 5 years, Samsung may have improved in a lot of areas. So I cannot wait to see what Samsung has in store for us with this new Z Fold 5. So this is very unique because this is the first time I have a foldable phone in the history of this channel, 4 years in the making. So as you can see, this is the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and we have the thing here. I cannot show you the IMEI number because then we have the Samsung Electronics. Last time there used to be a lot of information on boxes, but now Samsung wants to decrease the usage of paper and they want to be more environmentally friendly. So last time there were a lot of information on the box, now not so much. So okay, so once again, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, let's open this box. Oh, this is going to be the first time I'm ever opening a foldable phone on camera. As you can see, we have the foldable phone in our possession. Let's see if they included anything. Nope, it's just a phone. Yeah, it doesn't even come with the instructions. It doesn't come with the case. It doesn't come with anything like previous generations does. It's just a phone. Oh my god. I mean, I'm not surprised. Apple just now, I think the new iPhone 15 that came out will come out in a few days as of the making of this video. I think they only included the phone. No charger, no wire, no nothing, just the phone. So I think Samsung is following Apple's footsteps. Yeah, I'm quite surprised. Wait. Okay, never mind. I thought, I mean, Apple usually don't provide the instructions with new phones, but actually I was surprised. I thought they never included anything in the box, but then I overturned this box and it turned out they included something. So let's see what it is. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I was wondering where all of this was. Okay, so enough about that. Okay, so we have the package contents, the device, USB cable, ejection pin, very important, the quick start guide. So as you can see, this phone takes dual SIM. Unfortunately, with the new release of the new phones, they won't accept micro SD cards anymore. Don't ask me why. I think that's a very bad thing Samsung is doing. You go to a store and you buy one SD card and you don't need to pay, just pay one time. With cloud storage, you have to pay every month. So that's why I don't like about cloud storage, which is why I like micro SD cards more than cloud storage. Not only is on the phone you can control, but the cloud storage you cannot control. You have to pay every month, but not with micro SD cards. Okay, so yeah, this is just instructions. This is the first foldable phone that has water resistant features. The original Fold didn't have that because of the foldable screen, but yeah, I think Samsung has perfected. This is the best phone ever. The best foldable phone ever. I may be wrong, but I don't know. Actually, so specific absorption rate. This has all the information. Has the same thing in Chinese. And we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 charging cable. So we have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which is an industry standard. Then lastly we have the SIM ejector tool. It ships to every phone except the iPhone, I don't know why. And lastly we have the main event itself. Okay, let's open that seal for the first time involving a foldable phone. As you can see, on first impressions, it looks very shiny, and we're going to initiate the foldable sequence in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, we have the Samsung logo. It feels so surreal to be holding a foldable phone in my hands, which is not in a phone shop, which is it at home. I cannot believe I'm holding a foldable phone. It looks so surreal, you know. You have to see this in person. Okay, so let's set this up. Okay, let's turn this on for the first time in a foldable phone. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. This boot animation didn't exist on the S20 FE, but this is the first time I'm seeing such kind of boot up screen on a modern Samsung device. Because usually the older devices will just say Samsung. Welcome. So let's start. For review, greet to all. Let's set this up later. So Wi-Fi network. Connect. Okay, it's not going to work. Okay, next. There is no SIM card inside, so I don't think it's going to work. Yeah, it's not going to work. Okay, so set up later in settings. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. I'll sign in later. Accept. I'll do this later also. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Okay. I'll also skip the Samsung account setup. Agree. Dark mode is where I like, but for some reason they like light mode, so yeah. Okay, this is something I've not seen before. So as you can see here, it says taking care of your phone. So this, I think this is only exclusive to the Z Fold and Z Flip series. So it says pressing the screen or under the display camera with a hard or sharp object such as a pen or fingernail may cause damage such as scratches or dents. And then only use a Samsung S Pen designed for the Galaxy Fold. So other S Pens such as the Note 20, that might not work. So there's nothing inside such as a cut keys, coins or an S Pen. Yeah, that one is pretty straightforward. So it's not dust resistant. And it is also water resistant. So I mean, it said that you can immerse it in water, but only fresh water, not like salt water, alcohol, because if you immerse this into the sea, it might not work. And it also says don't remove the protective film or the main screen. I'm guessing this is the main screen. And you also cannot put any films or stickers, which means screen protectors is out of the question. And it says your phone contains magnets. I'm guessing it's for the foldable screen. And yeah, I mean this is no problem because I don't use the implanted medical device. However, I need to take good care of this phone in order to ensure its longevity. So yeah, that's something new. Next, you're all set up. Finish. Okay, so here we are. As you can see here, there's not much. Service provider update. I have to restart now. Okay. Okay, please wait. I'll do this later. Okay, so here we are once again. It added some new apps. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So we're going to transfer the data from the Note 20 into this phone. So we'll use the Smart Switch app. Unfortunately, I'll do it later in private because right now if I do this, then the personal information will be exposed, which I don't want. I know you guys want to see the transformation, the data transform, the data transfer from the Note 20 to the Galaxy ZFold. Unfortunately, we don't have the time for that. So, and it's a long process to do that. So yeah, and yeah, it looks fine. Let's see the long-awaited feature. There we go. So you can just use this as a normal phone. So you can just see, it looks like a normal phone, as you can see, except it has two sides. USB-C, then got the Samsung logo here, nice camera, and here we have the side display, as you can see. Just need to swipe to unlock. So you can just like use this as a normal phone. So you can just use this as a normal phone, like so. However, if you want to watch some kind of movie or some kind of movies or meeting, however, if you want to watch a movie or attend a meeting, you don't have to take out your laptop. You can just do like this. There we go. Now I can watch a movie. Just watch. Very convenient. So what's my thoughts on this Z Fold? I think it's a good phone, especially with the foldable. However, you need to take extra good care of this phone compared to previous phones, because this is a foldable phone. So the main screen is plastic, not like the side screen which is glass. Glass already has a screen protector, but you cannot put any screen protector into this display. If not, then it might cause some issues. So putting a screen protector is out of the question on this phone. Same goes for the Z Flip. So I'm going to end this episode right here. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve my video below. I'll see you guys in the next video.